There's nobody here. Nobody is around, but I'm doing everything I can to show you how you can make passive income online, to show you how you can make $2,000 every month using YouTube. So if that's what you want, if you are looking for a way to make passive income online, if you are looking for a way to make at least $2,000, make sure to watch every second of this video because I'm going to give you valuable information. Once you finish watching this video, you will just go ahead and create your online business using YouTube. So make sure to stick around. Hi, my name is VK. On this channel, I create videos that show you how to make money online. Here, I inspire and motivate people so they can start and grow a successful business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $2,000 every 30 days on YouTube. That's why I'm here, and I'm sure that's why you clicked on this video. And I will make sure that I give you valuable information that will help you make money online using YouTube. But before I dive into the video, if you are new on my channel, do me the favor and go down and subscribe to my channel. And while subscribing, hit the bell notification. That way, next time I upload a new video on this channel, YouTube will send you a notification. And for those who already subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate your time. Thank you and welcome back. Okay, if you are here, if you are watching this video, be assured that I'm going to make sure that this video doesn't take a lot of your time because I want you to watch every second of it. So without wasting more of your time, let me very quickly talk about how you can make up to $2,000 every month on YouTube. And in this video, I will be focusing on two things, two different income streams that you can build here on YouTube. And the first one is AdSense. So many people have been talking about how to use AdSense or how to use YouTube to make money online, and you know a lot about AdSense. But believe me, this is something that is making a lot of people a lot of money. In case you don't know what AdSense is, this is a program set up by Google, and you know YouTube is owned by Google. And through this program, you can partner with YouTube and let YouTube show advertisements on your videos. And when they do, the money that they make from those advertisements that show on your video, you will be getting 55% of the revenue and YouTube is going to get 45%. But what is important and that you need to know right now is that you don't get on YouTube today, create a YouTube channel, join the YouTube partnership program and start making money with Google AdSense. There's a requirement that you need to meet before you can qualify to partner with YouTube and to show ads on your videos. You need to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel and you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel for the last 12 months before you can qualify for the YouTube partnership program. And if you qualify for the partnership program, you will be earning depending on the CPM of your channel. This will range from $1 to $4 for every 1,000 views that you get on your channel. But depending on the niche that you are in, depending on the type of videos that you make on your channel, you can make up to $45 for every 1,000 views that you have on your channel. So when you qualify for the partnership program and you make your videos, you will be able to allow an ad to show at the beginning of your video, in the middle of your video, and at the end of your video. But before you can put an advertisement in the middle of your video, which we call mid-roll, your video needs to be a minimum of 8 minutes. So it's no more going to be 10 minutes, but it drops to 8 minutes. So if you have videos that are 8 minutes long, you will be able to place place mid-roll ads in those videos. And if you are new here, if you haven't created your YouTube channel yet, or if you are looking for a way to optimize your YouTube channel, I've made some videos and I will leave those links in the description of this video, and they will show you how you can move your channel to a new Gmail account, how you can move your personal YouTube channel to a brand account, how you can change the primary owner on your YouTube account, and all those I will have the link in the description of this video. And that's the first way you will be making money on YouTube. The second way to make money on YouTube is through product and services. You can see that I'm not playing around in this video. Look into my eye and tell me that you didn't subscribe to my channel. I'm just kidding. If at this point you love what I'm talking about, make sure to go in the description and subscribe to my channel. Now, I already talked about this second income stream that you can build using YouTube, which is through product and services. And this is not like on Facebook, where when you publish a post with a link, Facebook will limit the reach of your post. Here on YouTube, it doesn't happen that way. The most important place where you can make a lot of money on YouTube, the power of YouTube, is in the description of your videos. That's the place where you can put links and ask people to buy your product and services. And the first type of links that you can put in the description of your video are affiliate links. So you just become an affiliate for product and services, and you leave your affiliate links in the description of your video for people to click on and to buy from you. And if you are new to this, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, this is as simple as reaching out to product owners and request to promote their products, and they will be paying you a commission on every sale that you make. And the first place that people go if they are new to affiliate marketing is clickbank.com. And if that's what you want, you can go to clickbank.com to create your account, choose a niche in which you want to be, choose a product that you are passionate about, grab your affiliate links and start promoting that product in the description of your videos. But when looking for a product to promote, when looking for a product to be an affiliate for, make sure that you are choosing products that will pay you high commission. And before you can get to those, maybe you will need to promote webinars, and those are not easy to find. They are not everywhere. But if you want, you can grab my #1 recommendation to make full-time income online in the description of this video, or you can just go to videgla.com and you will attend a training where we are going to introduce you to private offer owners, and you will be able to promote offers that are not everywhere on the market. You can also promote digital courses. It could be a course that you created yourself or a digital course that you are an affiliate for. I'm talking here about the products that are going to make you tons of money if you focus on doing the right thing. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, if you want to make money on YouTube promoting your affiliate product in the description of your videos, make sure that you choose a high ticket affiliate offer. Make sure that you are promoting digital courses, and make sure that you are promoting software that people will use to grow their businesses online, like ClickFunnels, GetResponse, Aweber, and the list goes on and on. It's not anything complicated, but if you want me to walk you step by step through the process, I will leave in the description of this video a link that will take you to other videos where you will learn how to create and set up your YouTube channel, how to optimize your YouTube channel, and make sure that you will be successful from day one. Those are the two aspects, those are the two income streams that I want to cover in this video. I know I took a lot of your time and I'm going to stop here. So this will be all for today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, because next time on this channel my video will be talking about how to make money online like this one, and I'm sure that you wouldn't want to miss that. So subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. That way when I upload the video, YouTube will send you notification. I really Really appreciate your time. This is VK from Real Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.